change out of. That's our dressing room out there. That's our locker room. I don't want to turn around and sit down. I love watching the game. I watch every game. As you can tell, I watch the highlights. I enjoy every aspect of what's going on. I ran the state of Maine college program for 20 years. All of baseball, all of Cape League. And now the Seahawks took over the stadium that I used to play. Screen there, I can't see the umpire's fingers unless they put them up high. Because if they put them right in front of the chest, I can't see it. See, no, I can see that, but at night I can't. If it goes up high, sometimes they'll go like this and that screen and it's hard to see. Maybe orange on their fingers or something. Someone will come and say, do you know what this is a restaurant? And I'll look over and something happens and you miss it. See, the catcher was doing a Tony Pena with it. Remember how they used to put that leg out and sit on the spot? He's a Yankee coach now. This looks like an inter-squad game. What the color? The color of the uniform looks like the class you playing. Every time. 63. Three infield outs. Here we go. First one we ever did. Good inning, Andrew. Good job.